Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
Yeah, okay. Na wo hwe say utro caution so ede ama political leaders. In one breath, quite gratifying to hear say President of the Republic appointing you into acting position within 90 days comes out publicly to say I feel vindicated in my decision to appoint this gentleman based on the bit that I've seen. Do we usually get to know this?
No, we never get to know. No, the idea is to appoint and also to confirm. No, if you know the lobbying, the pulling down, then in Ghana, you find it in the Ghana Police Service. In Conconsel, where we actually in the Ghana Police Service, that is where you find it. And I say that on authority. Some, and sometimes I tell the officers, those at the top, I tell them that you do this to one another. It doesn't help. It doesn't help because see you penny free home. Nothing. When you say you penny to me, but I want to say you free home. You free home. I do buy it man is to me. And so mine is that for the first gentleman of the land to show what Bible thing about the Kasase, all those who are doing in concern, all those almost force he will not be confirmed. Now the president says that he feels vindicated. Some of us feel vindicated. May I sure say Ghanaians feel vindicated because you have an IGP. There is this lady who works, I think she's a media person, Metros again.
Bridget Otu.
Thank you. IGP friend. And I had people calling me and saying, "Oh, IGP will pay publicity too." People will not probably value you in a manner, but you see, you have millions of Ghanaians and people all over the world who are listening to you. So you will not be treated in security circles as an ordinary person. Obia will name the security you may be say Adakabre Ehubasem and I say Bibi Adakabre Nase Oblobon Timbekasa Nasa the chief constable Ufrada Adakabre now one reassured say the and some people of the carton and no one can say the other canon a best share a best man and I say or more they have a certain belief. But say see you know that Kabra is a media person, he's a senior journalist, is this, he's on radio, he's talking, then you let it go. Then you think that when people don't have confidence in you, it is about going out there. No, these are the little. So I told those who called me, some of the officers, and I told them that lady, I don't know her very well. And you see, she's the personality of the media. Which medium do we use today to educate and advocate for right things to be done for everybody in probably wherever we find is the media. So if or know about the cassette, I'm not the woman that's an IGP friend. Now IGP called her because this is somebody who has probably millions of followers. And it is the right thing to do so that if said persons are sure that probably the promise they've received is anything to go by, they will come and say, at least I've been reassured that the ACO on the top of Ponachomo.
Adam, ye can crano. Ye examine a Bridget Otu as someone okay. This lady has just put up in a tweet, say, I nipa bi ako expose to firearm e de akire ne young lady or ne shop. Ama yafa 500 cedis na kuma tu ye no say senka bibi ye young lady no a ye de no obeka che young lady no parents na otro bibi say then she comes back and yet the fact of all can say Akufu Dampare afre no na Tema region commander afre no Accra region commander afre no and ye instructive, but she added something or say Yenyina no yemwa approsive no ama and that new sense of urgency aba approsi adwuma mu no say yeboa wo mo a we feel reassured say bibi mponi a Omo be bua yen. Na wo mo be ka say Kufu Dampare per publicity no. Are they not assessing and evaluating or processing sa comments here running year aftermath of a year Kufu Dampare efre no ana
offer and wa no mu na wo kan me lady no story ne kra the obepost and me kan but officers who called me and I asked them simple questions that why do you think this is a lady who has probably millions of followers? This is a lady who the police would hope that she will be able to say something to encourage the men and women to work hard. She will be able to encourage Ghanaians to believe in policing, police officers. When such a person becomes a relation or a worker becomes a victim of crime, the IGP calls a crime leader, maybe. Some region calls, Accra region calls. Then somebody, officers who would then turn back and call some of us and say that we need power with the heavy. But they say, no, you people don't understand the civil nature of policing we have today. It is a democratic police, not some regimented police now. Police if one the barracks. No. If you go to this would happen in Britain, this will happen in America, this will happen in any first-class country. Except that in this part of the world, you want to say you're strange. The reason why you want to say you're strange, we see policing and security to be too far away from us. A Kufu Dampare is brought into our doorstep. I think we should, ask the other officers to emulate it. Then now offer police reform people. You don't see it again. Because I keep in the traffic. So you don't see a GP way that people know unless they are going to somewhere that is so important, which is what some of us are calling for. That we are police here, we are more important than anybody. So everybody should obey the law. I think this is something that we should commend. So as far as I'm concerned, the president's choice in the person of Kufu Dampare, I have nothing wrong with it. I see nothing wrong, and Kufu Dampare is doing what is expected. People say rather but not today. If he doesn't do it well, I know you will call me. Oh, framing so they are American. Or any year that's all framing American. Because I work with the system. I work with all of them. IGP for a very long time, most of these IGPs, some of us have been working with them. So when you hear some of us come out to say, Nipano, on Chelsea, or Nimagumano, on to me, then we know what we are talking about.
Na ye can say Kufu Dampare leading from the front. Na ubesha say Pasifori Eko JIJ. Enya Kufu Dampare na chire no said yesi tro even a press release. Ekwaku take over research and education at the MTTD. Say wutimi papa nsem no mu nyina no. Enya Kufu Dampare na chire no said yesi timi extra research material. Yes, so legible. Logical conclusion to the extent say police updates are ever share the style of writing under the hand of Kwasifori, acting director general. It me particularizing 1 say 2 say 3 say 4 say so clear. Plain English obiati as here the same line and a director public affairs. Kwakubin esu ato. That in itself, what story does it tell citizens?
It tells you that if you want quality, and you yourself, you believe in quality, and you will find quality around you. As I won't quality, that's the one person who believe in quality. Even when you see quality, you won't see it. Maybe I'll put it on your network because I work with the system and I've been doing this for a long time. It got to a point in this country. If I call a police PRO, director general, whoever, now catch and say, why are you people not coming out to let Ghanaians know what is going on? And if I know that whoever it is will tell me, say, for IGP in the Katreno, I am telling you.
Wow.
Call the IGP, he's your friend, call him and tell him. I am telling you, under certain they will tell you, call the IGP, IGP, so they literally were taking permission from an IGP or from some IGPs to come out and talk. And I said that, now OGIJ, Any mass come now ko ye wo Legon need the keka ho no. Journalism now ko ye no. With years of experience no. If the man felt you couldn't do the work, then you should come and be the PRO. I remember saying this to some of the IGP. I said, you see, don't put them there and micromanage them. Micromanage them. Let them do the work because these are professionals. We are IGP, one called GIG. Nipani a public affairs director or called GIG in the bar. Let the person do the work. When you say it, they say, you see, we need to manage information. This is not about managing information. Who probably manage information here in the GIG for no, and no one called journalism school. No, I'm not managing a mind. And me security ni man called GIG, man can communication. I can talk, but the ethics of communicating in a more journalistic way, maybe the premier, I will gloss over it and I will not understand it. But those who have gone through the process of doing this, these people, either through practice or through education or both, would be able to do it. But you put them there, then you micromanage them into information about or change say the IGP to Koya, Nesabekano and our publication today. BBC they are publishing. BBC and that is what I mean more for others watching up UK pen, so you know what I'm talking about. This is policing. This is policing. So that policing has been brought to our doorstep. It's not the policing where BBC Reverend also been Pabo Omuchino. Omuchino happen on the toe. Omnibre, and you say at Channel Dabi. Omuchino happen, they are the first people to put it out there. This is what we call policing. So as far as I'm concerned, I think that we should all support the police administration to do what is expected because security no bambon and koya offer. But I think that by and large, some of the armed robbers, suspected armed robbers have been killed. Some of them have been arrested. And I'm sure that Yanchiwa are about working. It's simple. Police of one Yanchiwa about working. That is there are two things. Either they arrest you or you shoot at them and they shoot back and they kill you. Simple.
You are not suggesting, say, there's a policy.
Who's here or ha? Actually, Punk no. Needs FM.